our first vacation together. Oh my God, guys, they just made us get out of the pool for an emergency situation. What's up, everybody?
We're going on the Greenwood Lodge.
We're going to the Greenwood Lodge?
Yeah!
To Uncle!
For her birthday party, she's turning 8 years old. Yep. And I'm gonna turn 8 tomorrow.
We're celebrating your birthday?
Yep. Greenwood Lodge.
Woo! And this is our first vacation together.
Hi guys, I'm the famous girl.
You're a famous girl?
Yes, I am.
And you're the birthday girl?
Yes, tomorrow's my birthday, and tomorrow I'm gonna turn 8. And we're going to Greenwood Lodge.
And are you a famous actress?
No, I'm a princess.
You're a princess?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Wait.
I'm not a princess.
This is my room.
That's your room?
This is the magic door.
Ooh.
Yes, and we're gonna show you our room later. It's a magic room. It's open.
Oh my
You can
God.
put it in the restroom. It doesn't matter because it's a restroom.
Oh, it's so stinky in there. No, it's not stinky.
You know, or it's 5 minutes. Done.
Okay, let's eat, people. Let's eat.
Let's eat. I can show. I'll turn on this one. I'm gonna turn one on. So everyone's I'm gonna turn it on. And our channel. Subscribe on the channel's channel. We are famous. She's famous pop star.
Oh, okay.
I'm famous. I'm famous and a princess. Hello guys. We're going for lunch.
Okay, boys, it's time to sleep because tomorrow we're going to the
I'm
Greenwood.
sleeping here.
It's time to sleep.
It's
You
time
have
to
to go to sleep now.
Yes.
Just now.
Sleeping right here in the bed.
What about the other beds over there? What about over there?
No.
No?
No. That one.
Papi's gonna help you do that.
So we go for the Greenwood Lodge.
You have to sleep. And when you open your eyes in the morning and when the sun is out, we're going over there, okay? Yeah, we're eating breakfast first.
Yep.
Yep.
Wait. Okay, 3,
2, 0.
Hello. Alexander. Good morning. What? I already brushed my teeth. Okay. Bye. Hello. Hi. The small down there's me. Andres. I see Andres. Andres. Yeah? Hi. Hi. Watching TV. Oh! Hi. You're putting that
Oh no, don't try that at home.
Don't.
flush.
We made it, we made it, we made it. Woo.
Yeah, and the water park. A giant water park.
Yeah, we're at a giant water park. See, Christmas is not over yet. Woo-hoo. Hi guys.
We want to go to that pool.
Okay, hold on. We just got here. We have
Ready, set, go.
Hey guys, so now Andres is gonna come down the slide. It's super brave. And mommy's not, but it's a secret, don't tell anybody. Hi guys! I wonder if he's gonna come down the blue one or the orange one.
Andres, what are you about to do?
I'm gonna do the orange
The
slide.
orange slide? Are you scared?
No.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go. Orange. Okay. So you're not scared, right? Because you are brave. Let me see your muscles. Whoa! Good job. Let's go. Okay. Got one. Thank you. All right, you're good. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go, Andres. Go, Andres. Go, 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 go.
Good job, Andres! I'm so proud of you! Okay, I'll see you down here, boys!
Are you ready? All right, go ahead.
Yay! Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! There's he coming too! Ooh.
Oh. Yeah. Ready? Set. Go! Happy. Which one you doing?
The yellow one.
Yellow? Are you scared? Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Whoa! Oh my God! Pinagyan na pa. Pinagyan na pa. Oh my God! Oh! Woo! Thank you, sir.
May I have your attention, please? An emergency reported in the building. Please stand by for further information.
Andres, what's going on?
Emergency.
An emergency?
May I have your attention?
What happened?
May I have your attention, please? There's been an emergency reported in the building. Please stand by for further information.
Oh my God, guys, they just made us get out of the pool for an emergency situation. What happened?
I don't